Canto Silvaia, noctelin caia, feluna shora lumira, te vare alende. Translation life, yeah. In twilight's breath I wander, where silence finds its name. The winds of old remember and whisper me the flame. I feel the pulse beneath me, the rhythm from the skies. 1,000 stars surround me with fire in their eyes. I hear the echoes calling through mountains in the rain. They lift me from the shadows and wash away the pain. The light is rising in me, I'll never be the same. The echoes of Lumora are burning in my name. Sei du fun valora, ne mai non temkai. Sordan ve tu ai lora, unret sealing vai. English. The night becomes my mirror, reflecting who I've been. But now I see the future, alive beneath my skin. I feel the ground awaken, its voice inside my chest, a symphony of wonder that pulls me to the crest. I hear the echoes rolling through mountains, through the rain. They lift me from the shadows and wash away the pain. The light is rising in me, I'll never be the same. The echoes of Lumora are burning in my name.
Now talk quickly, only whispered over coded. Lumora, Alunkai, echoes rise in endless sky. Lumora, we are the flame, born from stars. Rise again, final chorus, top style, layering.
I hear the echoes calling, they carry me through time, beyond the veil of silence, into a way divine. The light is rising in me, I'll never be the same. The echoes of Lumora will always speak my name.